Hi first graders. It's an exciting day in math because today you're going to start to learn how to tell time. So our learning target for math says, I can tell and write time to the hour. So that means we're just going to worry about telling time to the hour. Like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, we're not going to worry about any minutes yet. In first grade, you just learn how to tell time to the hour and to the half hour. So today we're only going to worry about the hour. So I have my little clock here, and Lily, will you call Thor or Jamie? I've got my dog here at school. This little hand on the clock, that's the hour hand. That's what tells what hour it is. The big hand tells the minute. So we are only going to tell time to the hour today. We are not even going to worry about that big hand. On your math pages today, you're only going to draw the small hand. So we're just going to pretend like that big hand isn't even there. If it was to the hour, it would always be on the 12. That's when it's the hour. But we are only going to worry about the hour hand. We're not going to worry about that minute hand. So right here, the hour hand, the little hand, is pointing to 1. So we would say it's 1 o'clock. Then when it goes to the 2, 2 o'clock. 3 is 3 o'clock. 4 is 4 o'clock. And all the way 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way around 11, and up here till 12. So the hour hand is pretty straightforward. Whatever number it points to, that's the hour. So go ahead and grab your math books. And we're going to be on page 543, and it's lesson 9.6, and you'll see a big clock there. And we're going to do this together. It says, in the top workspace, have children write the unknown numbers in the squares. So we have a couple boxes that don't have numbers. So I drew a clock up here, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then there's a blank. What comes after 5? In between 5 and 7? It's 6. So clocks, this is called clockwise when they go this way. So it's kind of funny because the 5, on a number line, 5 would be here, and then 6 and 7. On a clock in the circle, 5 is over here, and then 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, what would be right there? It's 12, so 12 is at the top and 6 is at the bottom. Let's look at our little clock. Oh yeah, we've got 12 at the top and 6 at the bottom, so we did it right. So on your math pages today, you are just gonna work on telling time to the hour. So your clocks on the math pages only have the little hand. They only have the hour hand. So if we were writing, let's point right here to 1 o'clock. My arrow points to the 1. It looks like this, 1 and 2 dots. That's called a colon. 0, 0. That would be 1 o'clock. Now, if I erased it and I made it go to 2, the 2, now it's 2 o'clock. So it would just look like that, 2, colon, 0, 0. Now if I erase it, and I make it go straight up to the 12, it would say 12, colon, 0, 0. Let's make it go over here. It's going to point to the 11. What time is it now? It's 11 o'clock. How would I write that? How about 11, colon, 0, 0. I'm going to give you a clue. Since we're only working on the hour right now, this is always going, after the colon, this is always going to be 0, 0. And the only thing that's going to change is the hour. So the hour comes before the colon and the minutes come after. We're not going to do minutes yet, so the minutes are always going to be 0, 0. All you have to change is the hour based on where that small hour hand points. So right now it's pointing to 11, and that's how we write 11 o'clock. That's what you'll do on your math today. Look at where that small hand is pointing and then write the time. So this first one, I see it pointing to 9. So it would be 9, 2 dots, 0, 0. All right, have fun. Practice telling time at home if you have a clock like this. Bye, first graders.